I'm makeup artist Darren Jinks, here to show you how to color prosthetic wounds with Ben Nye makeup. When applying a makeup that involves cuts, scratches, bruises, and other types of wound prosthetics, I really like to use the Ben Nye alcohol activated palettes, otherwise known as AA palettes, as well as the Ultimate FX palette, which is a cream palette. These mix very well together for coloring your prosthetics. I started by laying down some direct transfer Prosthetic prosthetics that I created for this makeup. These types of direct transfer prosthetics are very useful in creating any type of wound makeup. They receive the alcohol activated palettes and the cream makeup very well. Thinning the product with alcohol gives it that in-the-skin look. Apply the product over the prosthetics to blend it into your subject's skin. I personally like to combine the products to achieve different levels of depth and realism. To get your base colors down, try using a medium stipple STB13 brush dipped in either the alcohol makeups or the cream makeups. These products are very user-friendly, and the key to being successful with them is to brush up on your techniques. Your application techniques should include a mix of stippling, spattering, dry brushing, and direct makeup application to achieve the ultimate in realism. The STB11 Dome Texture from our Stipple and Texture brush series is also an excellent brush for effects work. It can be used to stipple on color or to dry brush over to bring out texture and definition. The Ultimate FX palette will do double duty for you. You can use it as is, around the eyes or other sensitive areas, or you can thin it with some 99% alcohol to give it that semi-transparent, in-the-skin look. If you need more stability, you can add a little final seal to your alcohol before adding it to the makeup. Use one of our fine liners to do your fine detail coloring. An alternative method is to use one of the full splatter or mini splatter brushes, the STB07 or the STB08, and the alcohol activated makeups to spatter on and flick tiny bits of color to help further blend the makeup together. The final step in any injury makeup is of course the blood, and Ben Nye offers a selection of blood products to give that final grisly look to your wounds. Always remember to finish up your makeup with a few spritz of Ben Nye's Final Seal to give it all-day staying power. To see our complete catalog of products, please visit the Ben Nye website. Be sure to check out our other videos for more demos and techniques. The long-form versions will give you a more in-depth look into the use of our palettes, products, and tips and tricks of the trade.